Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Odyssey seats 2008. Start by folding seats forward and stowing headrests to expose seat bolts, then wear gloves for grip and protection. Gather a 10 mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim tool to avoid scratching plastic. Work on one seat at a time to keep track of hardware, and have a friend help with heavy seats to avoid injury. Lift seat back to access bolts and connectors, then remove rear bolts first to stabilize the seat during removal. Keep track of each bolt and its position on a labeled cloth or tray to simplify reinstalling. Carefully depress locking tabs on wiring connectors and label them if needed to match during reconnection. Work methodically and check for hidden clips or covers that can conceal fasteners and cause damage if forced. Hey, quick recommendation. If you like reading repair manuals, the Kindle Paperwhite makes long reference material easy to read anytime, anywhere, and it fits neatly in the glove box. If you find this guide helpful, please hit like and subscribe so I can make more useful car videos. Also check the description for the Kindle link and other deals to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. With bolts removed and wiring disconnected, tilt the seat and lift the front edge to clear the track, then carry it out with an assistant to avoid scraping trim. Use blankets or seat covers to protect upholstery and interior panels during transit. Label bolts and hardware in a sealed bag, taped to the seat, or kept in a clear container to prevent loss. Reinstall in reverse order, reconnecting harnesses securely and torquing bolts properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.